Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu, everybody. Well, you have watched my YouTube short in which you saw that Flappy Bird tutorial coming soon. So you might have been waiting for a long time, and finally it is here. Yay! Now, guys, today you're going to see how to make it. So let me close that. So number one, you have to search in Scratch the rise of AI studio. Actually, I added here because this one is the only popular studio here. Well, not popular, but it can come on the search page if you search it. And be sure to look at the studios, okay? So here it is. Open this. And what you'll get to do that you'll have to remix it, but it's my own project, so I don't have to. So guys, let's start doing it. But firstly, let me save as a copy. Okay, let's do it. Name it Flappy Bird. Okay, what I did, I just type it wrong on sometimes on the computer. Okay guys, let's start. Firstly, number one, when green flag clicked, we will go to this position, -94 to 37 while just smack that in, and then forever, if then, or operator, the space key would be pressed. That would mean that it is on PC, and also the up arrow, and we'll add another or operator just to make it a little mobile friendly. We will put your mouse down. So now let's get coding. Number one, we will set our direction to 45. So point in direction 45. Then we'll just set, okay, the gravity variable. Just set these two to 0 at the start. Then set the gravity to the number 10. Then what we'll have to do, just repeat 4 times. Change the y by the gravity. Okay, then point in direction 90. So that's nearly done. Just set here the last thing. Change gravity by -1, and also we'll do it again. Change y by gravity. Let's give that a test. Woo! Woo! That is funny. Well, that's not an original Flappy Bird. We could just fly. Woo! You just have to just jump once. Okay, not here. I mistakenly did that. So let's check it out. Woohoo! Yeah! Boink, 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 boink. But this is the most ugliest thing. So to fix that, we have one option to do. We'll have to add some cooldown. Whee! Okay, let's start. We'll code this up in a new script. When green flag clicked, forever loop. Then just make this in. Oops. Remove everything. Okay. Then we'll have to set jump cooldown to the number 1, and then we'll wait for I like 0.4, and then we'll just normally set it back to 0. Jump cooldown to 0. Let's test that out. Okay, that will not work normally. We'll just have to do and equals jump cooldown equals into 0. So we will smash this in and then feed this with this. So okay, that the infinity jumping is gone. But hold on a sec. You'll see all of these thousands of costumes. Aha. Well, you might be realizing that why do we have these costumes? Because for animation. Yes, you know animation. So let's start doing it. But wait, you may have been thinking that we should do a broadcast message. So we should do a message. Let's write run animation, not anime. Okay, let's do that. Where should I do it? Okay, let's do it at the start of the script. So when I receive run animation, yeah, forever. Duplicate this, then delete this, and then we'll switch our costume to bird flap, and then we would change the costume by 14. I will have to change the costume. Okay, next costume. Why doesn't this come out sometimes? And then just switch costume to this one. Let's test that out. Oh, I like it so much. We are now flapping our wings. But hold on, we'll have to do more. But remember to delete this. No, no, delete this. Okay, here, let's start. When green flag clicked, hide. Go to X, 0, negative 180. Yeah. Switch costume to this ground, the first one. Then go to the back layer. Then we'll just create a clone of myself. Duplicate that. Ground 2. But hold on. Just right before the create clone of myself, we'll have to change the X by 480. Okay, we're nearly done. We'll just have to do a little more. Okay, that's it. That's there. Forever. Show. Change the X by negative 10. Okay. If then X position is less than negative 480, then it would be the double. Change X by 9, okay, 60, 960. Okay, let's test that out. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, that's too much fast. That's going like a holy moly. Spinning ground, turning ground. Not a turning, a moving ground. But actually that's depending on the flying speed of the bird. But do you see this gap? Okay, to cover it, just here. Okay, that's bad. And what position was that? Okay, show it. Here, let's see which position is best. It's negative 88. Negative 88. Negative 188. Okay, no more gap. Wait a second. We can touch the ground. We do not die when we touch the ground, but that's something we're going to do later. But now we'll have to do something more. The pipes. When green flag clicked, we'll hide ourselves. Then forever change No, not okay. Forever create clone of myself. But before that, we'll just have to wait 2 seconds. So when I start as a clone, we always firstly show if you want the clone to be seen. So for to repeat until touching this end. Okay, we'll just code that in a sec. One green flag clicked. Set goes to 100 and also show it. Wait until touching the and change x by okay, like I choose -5 because it's the same speed of the ground. Let's move it if and oops x position -122. No, actually 125. 125. And then I think so. Well, it's best we will put x position is less than -122. Okay. Well, actually, I would recommend you to change the x by -3 because it's best. Change score by 1, and then in the end, we will not stop all, we will just delete this clone. Okay, let's check that out. Oh, no. What are they showing? Oh wait, yeah, I forgot to position them in the start. So the position would be go to 240 and y0, okay? And just one more thing, switch to costume 1 to 7. Great. Okay, let's do the flappy bird here. Okay, one green flag clicked. Forever, if then touching pipes or ground then broadcast game over. When I receive game over, then show and stop all. But when the green flag clicked, hide. So it's just done. But here in the thumbnail, if you want to do it, you can do it. Forever show and set the ghost to 100. Okay, let's play. Oh, phew. That's what? Okay, that's all for today, guys. Bye bye.